agents sold what commission that they have, what applications got declined, what got approved, what's pending. Yo, you gotta do it that way. Have to. Okay. Now that we understand that, only choose two carriers. Do not do what the insurance companies and your upline are telling you. I promise you, it's not going to work. Okay. Two carriers only. Focus and stick there. Now that we have that underway, here's the part that really got me. That 12 months ago, I would have made a ton of more money. Remember, I talked about all the products from term, permanent, IULs, and annuities and all these different things. And then you're going to all these insurance conferences and they're talking to you about selling all of these different things and all the commissions that you can earn. Yeah, cool. Here's the mistake that I had that I'm going to save you a lot of time on. The mistake was all of my cash flow was tied up in underwriting. All of it. You're talking to somebody who was selling hundreds of policies a week, not a year. I was selling hundreds of policies a week, still am, hundreds of policies, and 60 to 70% of those policies were tied up in underwriting. They got flagged because the underwriter needs to review it. They need to do a medical background check. They do all these different things, right? Here's the biggest thing I learned. You need to find a product that eliminates underwriting completely. No underwriting involved. And I'm going to give you all the product through Mutual of Omaha. No underwriting involved, meaning that I don't need a heavy case management. I don't need to hire back-end case managers. Remember, because I'm teaching you how to be an agency owner, not working on behalf of network marketing companies, other companies. You don't need a case management team. You don't need a huge underwriting division. You don't need none of that stuff, right? Because we're going to remove the underwriter from the equation. Because the more that your policies are wrapped up in underwriting, the less cash flow that you have to be able to have enough money to be able to spend more dollars on advertisement so you could continue to get more leads. If all my lead dollars are tied up in underwriting, I can't run a successful agency, right? So one product that has no underwriting. So the first product is Term Life Express through Mutual of Omaha. Term Life Express has little to no underwriting. It's almost guaranteed, pretty much. From the time that you submit the application, they will tell you at the very end if that policy is approved. And if that policy is approved, it will be paid out within a matter of days. Eliminates underwriting. Now, even with the Term Life Express product through Mutual or other carriers that you're currently using, they still have like a simplified approval method, such as Term Life Express, which was, some of these will get approved, but others may still go to pending. That still had me wrapped up in underwriting, selling Term Life Express. And then don't get me started on whole life insurance, where you're not getting those policies through, especially depending upon the age of the client, right? You're tied up in underwriting. We don't want underwriting. Term life. Here's where everything made sense. I'm sitting down at the office one day. I got a team of agents. One of my agents, she sells close to 100 policies a week. Cassandra, she sells